This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Grasp the front of the cover and lift the cover up until the grommets in the cover are free of the ball studs, then remove it from the engine. Disconnect the electrical connector from the intake air temperature IAT sensor and loosen the hose clamp at the throttle body end. Loosen the air intake duct hose clamp at the air filter housing end, then disconnect the duct from the housing. The intake duct assembly is held in place by a rubber grommet and a ball stud. Disconnect the tube from the throttle body, then pull the duct bracket off the grommet. The intake tube clamp and seal may stay attached to the throttle body. If this happens, remove the seal and clamp from the throttle body and install it onto the end of the tube, aligning the locating tab and slot. Insert a ratchet or breaker bar into the square hole in the tensioner arm and rotate the tensioner arm until the drive belt can be slid off the water pump pulley. Once the belt is off, slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the belt from the various pulleys. Install the drive belt loosely over the pulleys in the correct routing. Insert the ratchet or breaker bar into the square hole in the tensioner arm, then rotate the tensioner and slide the belt onto the last remaining pulley. Slowly release the tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Make sure the belt fits properly in all the pulley grooves. It must be completely engaged. Remove the grommet from the ball stud and install the grommet onto the intake duct support bracket. Connect the intake duct tube to the throttle body. Seat the support bracket grommet onto the ball stud. It may help to use a hammer and brass punch to carefully drive the grommet onto the stud. Connect the air intake duct tube to the air filter housing, then tighten the clamp. Also, tighten the clamp on the throttle body end. Reconnect the intake air temperature sensor electrical connector. Locate the 4 grommets on the cover and the 4 ball studs on the engine. Place the engine cover onto the engine and align the grommets with the ball studs. Once they are all aligned, push the cover down until the grommets are locked in.